Welcome to Abhyaas Lawprep. There is a good news for students who have qualified for CLAT 2025 exam. NALSAR has released its vacant seats in the latest notification. So now we are going to see the process you need to follow to apply for those vacant seats. Now search for NLU vacant seats 2025 in the Google search bar. The first website you will be seeing would be of Abhyaas Lawprep. So there you can find the list of universities displayed over a chart. In this you can see the latest notifications. So here you can see NALSAR Hyderabad latest notification with regarding the vacant seats. So the list of vacant seats given by NALSAR University Hyderabad: All India General 3 seats, All India OBC NCL non-creamy layer 1 seat, OBC A Telangana NCL non-creamy layer 1 seat. Okay, so these 5 seats are being declared to be vacant by NALSAR, and those who are eligible can apply for those seats. And it is given in the notification that All India General Category candidates who have qualified CLAT 2025 and having All India rank up to 200 are only eligible to apply. So those belonging to the general category can apply only if they have got rank up to 200. Okay, please keep it in consideration because it is already there given in the notification by the university itself specially. Right, and regarding the reservation policy, the university has clarified that if there is no OBC A Telangana applicant in this regard for that one particular seat in the NLU, then university, according to its conversion policy, can change that category to BCB or then BCC and then BCD, BCE and up to All India Unreserved category. So this conversion would follow this sequence. Okay, only if there is no OBC A Telangana guy or girl applying for this particular seat. So please mind it, right? And one more important detail here is you need to apply it today. Today is the last day for the application process to be done. Okay, and one more important notice, students, those who have already secured seats in other NLUs and paid fee over there, if you want to transfer to NALSAR Hyderabad, then you need to apply here, and if you secure a seat here, you need to pay the fee again in this university. There is no policy of transferring fee from one university, one NLU to other NLU. There in the NLU where you have paid initially, you will get a refund. Okay, please mind. So you will not have this, you don't have this transferring of the payment from one NLU to another NLU. You have to make a payment here again, and there in the initial payment, you will get a refund. Okay, please mind it. And regarding the application process, how to go ahead, in the notification itself, the university would be giving you the Google form. So in the Google form, in the given Google form, you can see, so BA LL.B Honors 2025-26. So general 3 seats, OBC NCL 1 and OBC A Telangana 1. Okay, accordingly, you need to apply. So email, address, so name of the candidate as given in the CLAT application. So categories: All India General, OBC NCL, OBC A Telangana NCL, non-creamy layer. So admit card number, all the details you need to fill accordingly. Right, so category applied for, so all these things they are allowed. Fine, so these are given because as mentioned in the notification, if there is no BCA Telangana NCL candidate available as per the given requirement, then the university can convert the seat into any of these categories. So candidates who got selected for CLAT 2025, if you belong to any of these categories also, please do apply. So because you might get a chance to get admission in NALSAR, and other columns you need to fill accordingly. So domicile, all these details, because it is specially for the Telangana locals. So all these details, you know them, mobile number, gender, and all these details you need to fill accordingly. Okay, so now be quick, today is the last day for application. So upload all the relevant details promptly, and then don't miss the chance to get a seat at NALSAR. All the best for your CLAT 2025 journey. For further updates, please follow Abhyaas Lawprep.